Hello everyone, this is Jerry at Carpets of Arizona. I wanted to show you our kids area. So if you have little ones and you want to bring them down, you want to shop and look at some carpet, both our Glendale store and our Chandler store have kids areas for you. And you'll see we got toys and we've got movies. And I've got kids myself, so believe me, I've got all the movies that are popular. So we've got monsters, we've got princess movies, we've got, what is that snowman movie? Frozen. We've got Frozen, we got Cars, we got them all. So come on down with the kids. They can stay in the kids area and play, and you can look at flooring for your home. All right, Jerry Levinson at Carpets of Arizona. Come to our Chandler location or our Glendale location. Bring the kids, enjoy yourself, shop, and get the flooring that you need. Thank you.